All right, so let's see what we got here. We're gonna start trying.
Daddy, I need this charge so bad, like right now.
All righty. Well, darling, listen.
Charge it.
I got my phone's being charged right now, and I got this next, so I'll charge it right after, all right?
Fine.
All right, baby. Thank you. Oh, hello.
There's this new game that just got released, and I really want to play it. Do you think maybe you can charge this? Because it's about to die.
All right, well, Alexis has already come, so I'm going to charge hers, but then we got some chargers, so okay. Thank you.
Daddy, I was going to post something. I was going to post something, and then it died.
Really?
I need to post it.
Oh, my goodness. You got to post it. Oh,
Yeah.
you got to post it. All right, well, darling, I got a whole bunch of stuff we're charging here, so let's just, all right.
Do you mind
And
charging
hello.
this? Can you just charge this? Because it's about to die, and I was texting my bestie.
Okay, and she wants to talk to her bestie. All right, darling, I'm gonna have to just put this here, okay, and let it charge.
That's a big
So that's the problem that we have. We got all these devices that need to be charged, and we only have one charger or multiple chargers throughout the house, and we need a solution. I believe I have that solution, and I'm gonna show it to you right after this. Hello everybody, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and I'm taking it to the next level. And so I want to show you the solution to our charging problems. What I have here is this 10-port USB smart charging station. It's made by Alxum. I could be pronouncing it wrong. Alxum, A-L-X-U-M. This company reached out to me, said, would I mind testing this out? And it couldn't come in a better time. As you can see, I have a family of 2 daughters. Each of them have their iPads. I got iPad mini, the iPad Pro, 12.9, iPhones to charge and all that. And so you can plug it in individually, but sometimes they all want to converge all at one place at one time and charge. And so I think this is the solution to this. This 10-port charger has 2.4 amps in each port. It is a smart charger. It has 100 to 240 volt standard voltage. It has a heating radiation, adjustable separators. It's rapid charging with BC 1.2 technology. Hello? I have no idea what that means. A smart charger protects your devices from damage caused by overcharging. So it's got a whole bunch of other benefits here. So let's just open it up. All right, let's see what we got here. We have the station. Good hard plastic, got a lot of vents and ports. These are for the slots. Then you got some vents in the bottom here. You got your 10 ports here. Okay, looks pretty good. Feels light. We got the brick. Wow, this is a good sized brick here. Like this right here. What else we got here? We'll plug this in here to our electrical outlet. And there's an LED light indicator here. Alright, so we got these slots to cover them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 of the small ones. So let's get this going. I tell you, in our family, when the girls get to using their Now we have an LED light here. You can barely see it on. It's a light blue. All right, so we'll put that on here. All right, so this will be the big ones. It doesn't matter. You can put it in any slots you want. You can put as many as you want. You know, I'm just going to put a couple of them here because I have some things. All right, so we'll put these to the side. Now, it doesn't come with the USB cable, and so I went ahead and bought these small ones. This company is called Feel Too Nice. These are 7-inch iPhone USB. I wanted them all match, and so these are little 7 inches that we can just slot them in here and there. So let's see what we. So we'll start with my iPad 12.9. Boom, there it is. Okay, and then we'll pick it up with my daughters. Here it is. My girls are always on their iPad with, you know, with Roblox. This is the iPad mini. We're going to do an iPhone. Here we go. And there it is. All right. There's other things that you can charge if you want. You know what? Let me just take this slot out here. And I have my Western Digital Passport Wireless that sometimes needs charging. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here too. You know, why not? And there it is, started already charging. It knows these things. I think this is going to work out great, to be honest with you. I still have other slots to work out it. Everything is all charging all at the same time. You can't beat this. This is the 10-port USB charger. I think this will work out pretty good. It'll definitely work out on the household. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes, some thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have, let me just tell you how much I really appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level. All right, good deal. So now I got the chargers charging, or I got the devices charging now, and I'm ready to go. So let's see if I can do some. Oh, hello.
Hi. Can I charge my iPad?
You sure can, and we got this.
Thank you. I'm gonna go have my phone.
Oh, good. Yeah, go bring your phone.
Daddy, okay. I know we only have one charger. I'm sorry, but I really need this.
And there it is. We got another one right here.
So cool.
Yep. Excellent. There you go. Just good.
This is so cool.
I'm
gonna go get my iPad.
Go get the iPad mini. There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Good.
Now everything will be charged.
Everything is being charged.
We need to get more stuff to charge.
All right. Great. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 devices being charged all at the same time. And we still have enough ports for 1, 2, 3, 4 more ports that you can charge. I tell you, this is going to come handy in my household. How about yours?